Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Valorant account without email. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your favorite browser. Okay, now you're going to type in Valorant support ticket. Okay, once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and click on the first link, which is from support-valorant.riotgames.com. Click on this option, submit a request. Okay, and once done, in the center of your screen, you have choose a request type. Click on drop down. Now go ahead and select recover my account. Okay, wait for a new page to load. There you go. And now go ahead and type in your email address. Don't worry if you forgot the email address that is tied to your Valorant account. You can go ahead and enter a secondary email right here, where Riot support can reach out to you, okay, when they have the solution. So secondary at Gmail or yahoo.com. What platform are you requesting assistance with? It could be PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. Let's say, for example, you played Valorant using your PC. Region right here. Select the correct region. Okay. Now it will ask you, how did you lose access to your account? Now it could be hacked, compromised, or locked account, and you have a ton of options as well. Now most of you right here might have their account locked or hacked or even compromised. Select that option. Now just make sure that you enter your login name right here. Okay. Login name. Now summoner name right here or tag. The ones that you got hashtags, okay? Hashtags like that one. All right. So what email would you like to recover to? So go ahead and enter the email right here that was tied to your Valorant account, okay? At gmail.com. Now enter your date of birth, because this one right here cannot be changed, okay? Some of you might have noticed when you go ahead over to our Riot Games, okay, you won't be able to change the date of birth. You'll have to contact support to change that. Now, enter the correct date of birth. Now, the last time you had access to the account. This one is optional, but you can go ahead and put in a detail for Riot support to pinpoint that that specific account is really your account. Who made this account? Enter me. List all possible emails associated with the account. Okay, just go ahead and enter any other emails. Could be your PlayStation email, Xbox email, or your Gmails that is tied to that specific account. Okay, account creation date right here. You could be more specific if you want to add in the creation date. You can go ahead and find this one under your emails. For example, Gmail. Okay, just go to find Valorant and find the first Valorant email. Okay, you'll have the date right there. Now, has anyone else ever played to the account, including friends and family? Enter your answer in here. Do you have any idea how you lost access to this account? Just fill in these required fields, okay? Now, which games do you play to this account? It could be a League of Legends and Valorant, okay? Or some other options. If Valorant only, leave Valorant. First agent unlocked, optional, subject, maybe hacked account, description, okay? Like, hi, I lost access to my Valorant account. Enter as much details as you can, add in some attachments or screenshots that the account is really yours, and just hit on submit. Okay, once that's done, wait for Riot support to get back to you, and after that, rest assured, if you have entered the correct details right here, you will get your Valorant account back. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.